Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So this movement is based on practical activity. Whatever talent you have got, whatever little strength you have got, education you have got, you haven't got to learn anything. Whatever you have got, in whatever position you are, you can serve Krishna. Not that you have to learn something first and then you can serve. No, the service itself is learning. The more you try to render service, the more you become advanced, how to become experienced servant. We don't require any extra intelligence. Otherwise, the example is Gajajutapaya. The elephant, the king of the elephant, he is satisfied. He is an animal. He is not a Brahmin, he is not a Vedantist. Maybe very big, fatty animal, but after all, he is an animal. Hanuman was animal. There are many such things. Jatayu was a bird. So, how they satisfied? The Jatayu fought with Ravan. Yesterday you saw Ravan was kidnapping Sita Devi, and Jatayu, the bird, he was going, flying. Ravan knew how to fly without machine. He was very, very materially powerful. So the Jatayu attacked him on the sky. Who are you? You are taking me, I shall fight. So Ravan was very powerful, he was defeated, Jatayu, but he fought. That is his service. Never mind, defeated. Similarly, we have to fight those who are opposing Krishna consciousness movement. We have to fight with them to our best capacity. Never mind, if you are defeated, that is also service. Krishna sees the service. Defeated, victorious, depend on Krishna. But fighting must be there. Karmanne badhikarasya mahapale sukadas. That is the meaning. You have to work for Krishna sincerely, intelligently, and victory or defeat, it doesn't matter. Just like Jatayu was defeated fighting with Ravana. His wings were cut off. Ravana was very strong. Lord Ramchandra, he did his last funeral ceremonies because he was a devotee. This is the process. Not that we have to learn something extra. Whatever capacity you have got, let us decide to render service to the Lord. It doesn't require that you must be very rich or very beautiful, very bodily strong. Nothing of this. Savai pumsang paro dharma jato bhakti radhukhaji ahoituki apratihata. In any condition, your devotional service should not be stopped. That should be the principle. We are not going to stop any circumstance. And Krishna is prepared even to accept a little flower, little water, patram pushpam phalam toyam. He doesn't say, give me very luxurious and palatable dishes, then he will be satisfied. No. The real necessity is bhakti. Patram pushpam phalam toyam jomi bhaktya prajachati. This is real necessity, bhaktya. Bhaktya mam abhijanati. Javana just. Therefore, we have to develop our bhakti, love for Krishna. Prema pumartha maha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has advised. People are after dharmartha kam moksha. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, no, even if you become liberated moksha, that is not the qualification to get favor of Krishna. Prema pumartha maha. Pancham purushat. People are trying to be very religious. That is good. Then economic, dharma, artha. Artha means economically very rich, opulent. Then kama, very expert in sense enjoyment. And then mukti, this is general demand. But Bhagavad says, no, these things are not qualification. Dharma prujhita kaita vatra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.